Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. I know this is a different angle for a video, and that's because we're doing a decluttering today, and I'm decluttering this box of nail polishes that I have. The reason why is because I recently got into doing gel nails at home, and I absolutely love the way my gel nails have been coming out. I got this 6-pack of gel polishes last weekend, and I've been using them. It's one of the colors I used on my nails last weekend, and I have been absolutely loving doing my gel nails at home. So right now I think I'm just really into gel nails. I think they last a lot better on me, they look a lot better, and I just prefer them over regular nail polishes. So I have actually ordered more gel polishes. This is off Amazon. I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing this weekend of gel polishes, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But I'm getting more gel polishes from this brand because I absolutely love it. I love the colors and they just last so much better. But now I'm gonna need room to store these because they come in these boxes, and I need to empty this out. I just don't reach for this anymore. I used to like a lot of these nail polishes and I used to wear them all the time, but I just don't wear them anymore. And I could really use this container to store a lot of my new gel polishes that are coming too, because I have like 20 gel polishes coming, and then I've got 6 in here. So I really need to empty out this container. I need to declutter it. And so that's what we're doing today. I'm going to declutter these polishes so I can make room for my new gel polishes. And yeah, definitely stay tuned. If you guys loved my last Amazon unboxing, I'm going to be doing another one this weekend, and it should be posting this next week coming up. This is just a Sterilite container that I've had for a long time. It's full of a lot of old nail polishes and other things, and I'm just going to be decluttering the things in here that I just don't use anymore. I don't wear anymore. I've got, for some reason, there's like sand spilled in here. I don't know what's going on in here. So I really need to empty this out, clean it out, and use it for my gel polishes. Plus, a lot of these nail polishes are probably old and have probably like turned, and they're just not good anymore. So really, it's kind of pointless of me keeping them anymore. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump in. And if you guys like decluttering videos, be sure to stay tuned. I am going to be doing a lot more decluttering videos because I really need to declutter. We're going to be moving again here in a few months, and I really need to downsize some of my things more than I already have. So let's jump right in. So first thing in this box is actually this little makeup brush cleaning mat that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm actually glad I found this. I couldn't find it. I thought I'd lost it, and I found it again. So now I'm going to actually be able to use it when I'm cleaning my makeup brushes. So good thing I even opened this up. Another thing I got in here is this little callus remover thing for feet. I probably need to get a new one, but honestly, this one's still good. And I do like to use this when I'm doing like pedicures and things like that. So I'm going to hang on to it for now, I think. I mean, yeah, I probably need to get a new one, but I'm going to hang on to it for now. All right, next thing in here I've got is a really old bottle that has slightly spilled in here of sweet almond oil, and this is definitely going in the trash. I think I got this off of Amazon a long time ago. It's really good for your nails and your hair, but it's you know, spilled and it's just getting very nasty, so I need to throw that out. Also have a little random cotton round in here that's going in the trash. It's all dirty and stuff. I've got this polish in here from Sinful Colors, Snow Me White. This is definitely going in the trash. You can tell it's definitely gotten bad. It's separating. So some people still use polishes after they separate like this, and they just shake them up and keep it moving. But honestly, I don't even wear this color, and now it's turned. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. I hate to waste things, but I don't have anyone here to really give them to, and honestly, I don't know who would want an old nail polish like that. But It's Sherbet Day, and it's from Wet n Wild. I used to really like these One Step Wonder Gel nail polishes. You don't need a light or anything. They're very shiny and pretty, but like I said, I don't wear these anymore. I just don't turn to them anymore, and so I'm gonna have to get rid of it. Plus it is like probably about 5 years old. I've had it for a long time and I just don't wear it. This is also one that has definitely separated. It's from Revlon, and I got this at Dollar Tree. It's in the shade Rich Raspberry, and I just don't reach for it. I don't love the color. I find I have a lot of colors that are this color, and I'm just kind of over it. So decluttering that one. This one is Pampered in Pink from Sally Hansen Color Therapy. This one is actually still good. It hasn't separated. I don't think I've had it too long. And these are actually pretty good. So I think I'm actually going to hang on to this one. It's still a good polish that I do like. And it hasn't gone bad. So I can still use it. Like I said, I prefer the gel, but I may need to use a regular polish or something. So I'm just gonna keep this one because I think this one is still one I could reach for. This is from OPI, and this is so elegant. I remember getting this at Dollar Tree. That sweet almond oil is like all over everything. I need to wash my hands after this. But this is like a large chunky glitter that I just don't reach for. It's actually not very pretty, to be honest, and I love OPI, but this is just not a good one, so this one is going in the trash. I don't reach for that, and I don't like the way it looks either. This is also from Orly. This is Orly Color Blast in, I don't know, what was the shade? I thought it said it on here, but I don't see it anymore. Not sure what the shade on this one was because it doesn't say on it, but it's a pretty pink sparkly, and it's still like fairly good. It's separated a little bit, but I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. I don't remember loving it, and I don't think I need it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I wish I had someone to give this one to because I think it's still pretty good, and it's not really separated too bad, but I just don't really turn to that. This is from LA Colors. This is the Mega Grow Nail Treatment. This was from Dollar Tree. I've had it for a pretty long time, and I don't use it. I don't think it really did anything for my nails, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This is from the Color Workshop, and it doesn't have a shade name on it, but it's some cheap polish that came with something, and I'm going to definitely declutter that. I don't use that. This one as well, from Kiss. It's pretty. I like the color, but it's a little bit old, and it's the shade Dressy. I just don't reach for it, so again, decluttering. This is actually a really cool polish. It's from Studio M, and it's a mood changing polish in the shade Just Chillin'. It actually changes from like a blue to a purple. It's kind of neat. Let me see how the polish looks. It still actually looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's separated. So I think I'm gonna hang on to this because it's actually a pretty cool polish. I like it, so I'm gonna hang on to that one. This is an old gel polish top coat that from Gelish. I remember trying gel nails a long time ago, and this brand I did not like. I don't know if I didn't do it right, or I don't know what the case was, but these didn't work good for me, so I'm gonna definitely get rid of that. This is from Sally Hansen as well in the shade Poppy Patch. I really liked this color. I thought it was very pretty, but it has now turned and separated, and so I'm going to declutter that one. This is from Paparazzi, and it's a matte top coat. I don't really need this because I have a matte top coat that came with the gel polishes, so I don't need this anymore. And this is one from CoverGirl XL Nail Gel in the shade Overblown Orange. Also, I don't need this anymore. And it's very old, like really old, probably a good 10 years old. And this is a Wet n Wild One Step Wonder Gel in Scientific Method. I think I got this at Dollar Tree. I really liked this brand and this line of polishes for a while, but I don't wear them, and so I'm decluttering it. This has really gone bad. It's another Colored Therapy by Sally Hansen in the shade Couples Massage, and definitely going in the trash because it's separated really bad. So has this one from Sinful Colors, Island Coral, really went bad, decluttering. This is from Sally Hansen, and it's the Extreme Wear, again, really separated. And this is in the shade Pine Shine. I think I got this at Dollar Tree, definitely decluttering. These were some little eye glow polishes. I don't know where the other one is, but from Dollar Tree, and they were not very good, so definitely getting rid of that. And also getting rid of this one. This is Pink Chiffon. It's a gel polish from Sensational Color Gel Polish, and this was a really, really bad gel polish, really, really bad. So I'm definitely getting rid of that. I tried it, and it was just not a good gel polish at all, so don't recommend that brand. Here's the other eye glow, and again, not a good polish, getting rid of it. By Felucia from Wet n Wild, again, getting rid of this. I don't wear it. This is a chunky glitter from Sinful Colors that I got at Dollar Tree in Tear It Up. I don't reach for this at all, and I just don't reach for it, so I'm not gonna keep it. This is a glow in the dark polish from LA Colors. I think it did actually glow in the dark. It's not very pretty, but it did glow in the dark. I got it at Dollar Tree, and I think I'm gonna keep it because I kind of think it's cool, so I'm gonna keep it. This is an also very old one, LA Colors Color Last polish, and this was in the shade Loyalty. Also decluttering this. It's not, I don't know, I'm not into these polishes anymore. This is also very, very old and turned. It's Boundless Color by CoverGirl in the shade Pink Twinkle. I used to really like it, but it's old and it's time for it to go. This is the Glow in Black Light from LA Colors that I got, and it's in the shade Fluorescent. Not keeping it. This has gone bad, and I don't remember this glowing in black light, so I'm gonna just get rid of it. And then the last polish in here is this Rimmel London Salon Pro Kate polish in Venus. I used to really like it, but again, I'm just not into this polish anymore, so getting rid of it. And then I've got an old dotting tool that I'm gonna throw out. I've got a nail file in here, which I think I'm actually gonna keep because it's still in the package and it's good. I found another cuticle cutter, so I'm gonna hang on to that, and a little mini clipper, which is pretty handy. I think I might actually put that in my purse. I got a little glass file kind of thing that is from Dollar Tree. It doesn't work very good, so it's going in the trash. And a couple of old used nail files I'm gonna throw out. And that's everything. So it's empty. I gotta go wash this out. I don't know where this sand came from, but that is definitely going to get cleaned out. and now I'm gonna have plenty of room for my gel polishes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter. Let me know if you would like to see me declutter some more things, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to click that notification bell on your way out so that you can be notified of my future videos. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.